what's good with y'all boys? K-Dot coming at y'all with a tutorial on the angle freeze, or the freeze glitch, whatever you want to call it. Now I ain't finna waste no time, so let's just get straight into the tutorial for y'all boys. Alright, for those who don't know what an angle freeze look like, just finna roll a little clip for y'all. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is angle, which is just shift, unshift, and jump right after you unshift. Then click and dive. Now for the freeze part, you need to turn off full screen so you can get the white bar at the top of your screen. And after you reach max jump height or after you dive, you want to right click the top of your screen and freeze for like maybe a second and a half, because if you freeze for too long, your game will crash if you're in a public server. And if y'all boys trying to angle and y'all not really getting height or getting hot, nothing like that, just reset your character and it should fix the problem. Basically, just reset your character after every angle and you should be straight. Alright y'all boys, so the way to make this like really effective is you want to jump, like you want to angle like a little bit before everyone else. Like just try to angle early, and if you get high, don't even really worry about early, because if you get high and you freeze in air, it's gonna kind of like you're just gonna be frozen air waiting for the ball, like me in this clip. Alright, you want to do this when you're like, when you angle and you're about to go out of bounds, you want to freeze and bounce for like a second, and it's gonna count you, like it's gonna count your catch or your interception and bounds. Alright, for your account safety, because I don't really want any of you guys to get banned, I wouldn't recommend doing this in public servers like bot lobbies and stuff like that, because if you do this and people have never really seen it before, they can accuse you, report you, and you may get banned. Now, I do this in public servers anyway, because I just simply don't care if I get banned. I'll just get on the all. But for your account safety, I recommend not doing it in a public server if you care about your account. There are a couple more things. Sadly, you cannot really do this on mobile because like there's no full screen and you don't have a mouse, and it doesn't, like, ping doesn't really matter for angling at all. I recently just found that out. You can angle on any ping, you can freeze glitch on any ping. You just have to be on, like, you just have to jump earlier. Like the higher the ping, the earlier you have to jump. But anyway, y'all boys, that's gonna wrap up the video. If this helped y'all, make sure you like the video, share it, do all that. If this is your first time seeing me, make sure you subscribe. If y'all want to play with me or something like that, y'all want to add me, my profile link is in the description. Matter of fact, I'll just pop my user right here. And I will be posting like different type of videos, like funny moments, montages, and shit like that. Not just clips, you feel me? Posting like full games and stuff like that. But yeah, that's it for the video, y'all boys.